Welcome to Naviance Student, a mobile responsive portal that provides a more accessible and engaging experience for students and parents. Naviance Student utilizes a student-centered design that is personalized to the individual student and acts as a place to help that student explore and plan personal, college, and career interests, as well as manage the college application process. This overview will help familiarize you with navigating and understanding the available tools in Naviance Student. It will also point out some of the new features. This tutorial will not include extension products such as Course Planner, Curriculum, and Test Prep. Select one of the options to either learn more about Naviance Student navigation, to tour Naviance Student, to access a list of common questions and answers about transitioning to Naviance Student, and lastly, to see a list of what's new. You can click the Home button to return to this page at any point during the tutorial. This section provides you with a basic understanding of how to get around in Naviance Student. A static banner at the top of Naviance Student provides the language dropdown, a button for students to provide feedback, access to the student's mailbox, and an option to log out. The language dropdown, just as it did in Family Connection, only applies to custom content and requires the school district to have created the content in that language. The student mailbox now shows a notification whenever new messages arrive, ensuring students do not miss important information. This is the home page. Here you will notice that the new interface makes use of content cards that are identified by a title and show corresponding information. The card layout improves mobile compatibility. Depending on what information is in the card, you may see an option at the bottom of the card to either read more, see more, or perform an action. Expect to see this general structure on most pages. Family Connection's tabbed interface is retired and replaced by menu navigation. This type of navigation supports the mobile responsive experience and creates increased visibility for all Naviance Student features. The menus are laid out in a logical way that follows the student process through that section. For example, under Colleges, you can find key resources related to searching for colleges, researching colleges, applying, and then identifying scholarship-related information. Let's look more closely at the available menus. Starting with Colleges, there are three main pages that can be directly accessed: Colleges Home, Colleges I'm Thinking About, and Colleges I'm Applying to. The second level navigation includes search tools, research colleges, apply to college, and scholarships and money. Some of the more commonly used features found within these areas include College Lookup and Supermatch under Search Tools, Scattergrams, College Compare, College Maps, and an updated college resources page under Research Colleges, Letters of Recommendation, College Events, Managed Transcripts, and Test Scores can be found under Apply to College, and Scholarship Search, Match, and Applications are found under Scholarships and Money. The Careers menu has four direct access pages: Careers Home, Careers I'm Thinking About, Explore Careers, and the Road Trip Nation Interview Archive. Second level navigation includes one pathway for Explore Careers and Interests. This provides access to career assessments like Career Cluster Finder and Do What You Are. Road Trip Nation videos are mobile compatible, making it easy to watch them anywhere. About Me provides direct access to About Me Home and My Account. Second level navigation includes My Stuff, My Assessments, My Surveys, and Post-Secondary Plans. Under My Stuff, students can find items related to them such as their surveys, resumes, test scores, documents shared with them, and their journal. My Assessments includes access to all of the personal and career assessments. My Surveys allows quick access to surveys either in progress, completed, or not yet started by the student. Post-Secondary Plans includes the Game Plan Survey. The My Planner menu relates to the student's process of working on goals, to-dos, and tasks. From this menu, students can directly access their goals, their to-do list, and their tasks, as well as an overview, including a brand new calendar view of upcoming due dates. From the Naviance Student homepage, I can use the quick search to find a college, career, or course of interest. I can also read a custom welcome message from my school, quickly access my favorites, including careers and colleges, as well as colleges I'm applying to. I can be reminded of important to-dos and tasks that are upcoming, and see comments from my counselors and teachers, as well as upcoming college visits, all under the What's New section. If my school shares documents with everyone, I can find them by scrolling down the page and locating the Resources to Get Ready section. The Document Resources button, which used to be called Document Library, is how I access those shared documents. Depending on what your school offers, you may see different Getting Ready resources available. Finally, at the bottom of the homepage, I can find a list of custom links, pages, and updates from my school. From the college's homepage, I can search for colleges using tools such as Advanced College Search and Supermatch. Once I find colleges I'm interested in, I can add them to the colleges I'm thinking about list. I can research any of the colleges I'm interested in by using the College Resources page, College Compare, College Maps, scattergrams, and other available tools. Using College Maps, I can map the colleges I'm interested in and see where they are across the country. Scattergrams let me see how my GPA and test scores align with others accepted to a college from my own school. Once I've decided on schools I'd like to apply to, I can move them to my colleges I'm applying to list. This list provides a place to manage all of my applications and even request letters of recommendation. From the Apply to Colleges section, I can view information about those letters, college events, my transcripts, and test scores. In the meantime, I might want to start thinking about how I'm going to pay for school. The Scholarships and Money section gives me the ability to search for scholarships, use Scholarship Match, and keep a list of any of the scholarships that I'm going to be applying to. Lastly, I can keep an eye on the College Visits section to see if any of the colleges I'm interested in are going to be visiting my school. From the Careers homepage, I can take assessments such as Do What You Are and Career Interest Profiler to understand my level of interest in a career path. After completing this, it turns out that I might be interested in becoming a registered nurse. I can use the career search to find out more information about being a registered nurse. When I visit the newly updated career pages, I can see information on knowledge and skills needed, what types of tasks and activities are associated, along with the wages I might expect based on where I live. If I'm interested in this career, I can favorite it for future reference. When I'm back on the careers homepage, I can find my favorites by viewing the careers and clusters I'm thinking about. There are even great videos that I can watch on Road Trip Nation that give me insight into careers and different themes that I might be interested in. The videos even looked great on my phone. From the About Me homepage, I can view my account information, take a look at the resume builder, view my test scores, and check out my portfolio. I can even choose to print my portfolio from here if I'd like to. I can now view the progress of my surveys and assessments, access my journal, view documents that my counselor has shared just with me, or revisit my post-secondary plans. I have worked on building a few different resumes. As you can see here, I have already used the Add button to add sections and enter information to include in my resumes. The Print Export Resume tab provides me a space to build multiple resumes with different sections included for different purposes. Not only do I have these resumes here, but I have the option to export them as a PDF or Word document. The Word download gave me full freedom to edit my resume in whatever way I needed to before sending it on. The My Planner Overview page gives me everything I need to know for success planning. Here I can see anything due today, items that are overdue, a new calendar view that shows upcoming and past to-dos. Goals, my to-do list, and tasks assigned to me are easy to view using the related tabs. To-dos and tasks even have filters to quickly find specific items. If I open one of the tasks that I have assigned to me, I can add comments, ask questions, include files, and define my own to-dos related to that task. On the to-do list, I control everything that goes here. To add a to-do, just use the pink plus button and enter the information accordingly. I can also add my own goals. Goals, however, are going to be connected to a category that my school created. So when I use the pink plus button, I have to pick one of the categories first, and then I can add the information for my goal. Naviance Student provides a place where I can manage my whole journey through both my education, my career, and my college interests. Whether I'm trying to figure out what it is I want to do, find a best fit college based on my needs, or ensure that I'm achieving my goals and completing tasks to help me succeed, I know that Naviance Student is there to help.